Hey Atlanta property viewers, today we are in the beautiful city of Conyers at a new construction single family community, Miller's Pointe. These new construction homes are built by Lennar, and this is the Columbus floor plan. This floor plan has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and 2,338 square feet. Properties in this neighborhood start in the high 300s. If you have any interest in real estate in the Atlanta metro area, please don't hesitate to call or text me. My contact and consultation link is below. Please enjoy this property tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.